Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last week and how the gold price can move in the next week. See, if you look at this chart, what we can see that the gold in the month of July, we have seen that it has moved up, made a high, okay, and from there it has came down. Look at this chart. Now according to the chart, what we can see that the price has already moved of around is 1834. Okay, so keep this in mind that it is the range where it's a month, July month's high, okay, 1834. Now after making that particular high month's high, it has come down and made a low of around 1790. This also you have to understand. Okay, so now, and if you look at this chart, we have seen that in this 1791 is also a bit low at this point, and 1790, 89 and 1790, these levels are already tested here. So if the price comes in the range of around 1790 or 1789 or 1791, so there is high chances that this price can break downside. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglife@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand with how it is working, and you can join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description. Okay, and even I can give you a workshop one-on-one. If you want to attend, you can give. But these are all my personal view, and I would say that please consult a financial advisor before investing or trading. See, look at this chart. If we look at this chart, we can see that the range is around 1790 and a high of around 1834. Okay, so now the price is trading at around 1799. Okay, so once, because this level is already tested here, okay, if you look at this chart, we have seen that 1789 is already tested here. So if the price comes around 1792, then what we can see here that this chances are high that it can break a level of 1790, 89 and can 1790 around, or it can come to a level of 1788, and from there we can see a level of 1784, and it can come to a level of 1781 also. Okay, and if you look at this chart, we can see that the trend is in the downer side till the time it didn't go up a level of 1815. Okay, because if we look at this range, we can see a moving average as per this, that this was the range. Once it breaks the range, it came into this particular range, and once this range breaks, it came in this particular range, and now it is moving in this particular range. So once this range breaks downside, we can see that there can be chances it can go further low. So suppose if the price now moving at 1799, if it stays above this level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 1804. Okay, and if it stays above that level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 1806, and suppose if it goes above that level, then we can see that it can cross a level of 1810, because this level is already tested twice, so chances are high, and it can touch a level of 1812. Okay, suppose if this level crosses upside, then we can see a level of 1815. Okay, after crossing a level of 1810. Suppose if it goes above that level, then we can see a level of 1818 also, and if it sustains this level, okay, but this level is also tested twice, so chances will be high that it can touch a level of 1824, and once 1824 is touched, then we can see a level of that it can go and touch a level of 1828, and from there we can see a level of 1829, and then can break a July month's high. But suppose if it didn't sustain that level, and if it can touch a level of 1797, okay, which level is already tested here, so chances will be very high that if it goes below 1796.46, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 1794, and which level, these levels are already tested twice, so chances will be high that it can touch a level of 1791. Okay, once 1791 is touched, then we can see that 1789 is also tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can break this level and it can touch a level of 1787. And once 1787 is touched, then we can see that it can cross a level of 1784 and can touch a level of 1782. Okay, once 1782 is crossed downside, then we can see a level of 1778 also, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level 1774. You can check my previous video. If the price goes below this level, then if the price goes below this level, I will make a new video. Okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 1766 very soon. Okay, once 1766 comes, then we can see that it can go to a level of 1760. Doubt, please mail me at Stock Market Trading Live. And if the price goes below this level, you can check my previous video where I have told where the price can go. But these are all my personal view. Please consult your financial advisor before investing or trading. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.